Right, so you had seen the car before. The car was having a windshield PPF, but it had a PET film. We've installed now the new TPU windshield protection film. If you see, honestly, as I showed you in the video, you just can't get to know, there's anything on the glass, So now it's changed. We'll show you in the video a comparison between both the films before and after. Now it's like a brand new glass. VAT is 92%, it's absolutely clear. No installation problem. It goes up to down because it's a TPU, it's not a PET film. There's no height issue generally. People leave 2-3 inches of gap. If you will see, we'll try to cover this in the video that it's absolutely edge to edge with a fantastic finish. Just looks like a brand new one and now it's protected. Cheers, thank you.